Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to stop spam email on Gmail. So let's go to the Gmail first. Now choose the email address you want to mark as spam, like this one. If you don't want the email anymore from this guy, you can block this person. So how you can do this? You have to click on three dot here, and you'll find here block this person or this email address. Click on block, and you can see here future messages from Lauren Baker, search engine journal at the journal.com will mark as spam. Okay, now if you click on block, it will be marked as spam in your folder. And so this is how you can basically spam, or this is how you can basically stop spamming messages. So in this video, if you like this, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.